In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a report in Salesforce. Whether you're new to Salesforce or simply looking to refine your reporting skills, this process will guide you through crafting insightful reports that cater to your needs. To get started, head over to your Salesforce main navigation menu and look for the Reports tab. Accessing this will set us off on the journey to compile and customize a report that fits your specific requirements. Once you are in the report section, click on the New Report button, which is your gateway to beginning the report creation process. This step is the foundation of our task today, and will open up the interface where you can work your magic. With the interface now open, you'll find a search bar where you can specify the type of report you want to create. Think about what data you want to analyze. Perhaps it's accounts, opportunities, leads, or contacts. Type in the type that suits your purpose and select it. Once you have, simply click the Continue button to proceed. Now you'll see the outline panel, which is where you get to customize the columns that will appear in your report. Feel free to add or remove columns, tailoring the data displayed to what matters most for your analysis. Remember, the more relevant information you include, the more meaningful your report will be. Next, you'll move on to the Filters panel. This is where the real fun begins. Filters allow you to specify the kind of data you want your report to display. You can choose options like showing just your records or including all records across your team. For more specificity, set your desired date ranges, whether you're interested in data from the last 30 days, this quarterly period, or any custom range you need. Additionally, to narrow down your results even further, add field-specific filters. For example, you could choose to include only opportunities where the stage equals closed won. This step ensures that you're gathering precisely the data you need. For more advanced customization, in the outline pane you have the option to group your data by choosing fields in the Group Rows or Group Columns section. This means you can categorize and organize your data in a way that best reflects how you want to analyze it. If you're a visual person, adding a chart to your report can be especially helpful. By clicking on Add Chart, Salesforce lets you select from a variety of chart types, such as bar, pie, donut, or line charts, to complement the structure of your report. Once satisfied with your report layout, it's time to save your work. Click Save or Run, and then enter a memorable report name, a brief description, and choose a report folder where it will be saved for future access. Finally, click Save once more to conclude the process. There you have it. A comprehensive report crafted to meet your exact specifications, ready for analysis and insights. Keep exploring Salesforce reports to unlock the full potential of your data.